Greetings, my friends. Today, I will talk about something I already covered. Oh my god. I think you all know about Flash games, don't you? I got you there, you little comedian. You would like to know how I deal. No wait, how I, Goku! Whatever, how I managed to download Flash games in 2021 and forever. Will I tell you? No way, Jose! Hey, I'm joking. I will surely show you the way, so please, keep watching. But, despite my last video, I received many dislikes on it, as it turned out that the method is not working anymore. Even though I said it on the... Cosa? Aspetta. Ma che cazzo? No, non è vero. Non è possibile. Funziona? Yo! Sta merda funziona! Ah, perché No, fammi controllare. Fammi controllare. Adesso piglio un sito a caso, tanto deve essere forse una coincidenza, non credo che... Non è possibile, no. Funziona! No, dai, fammi provare. Un'eccezione, sai. Ma no, funziona davvero! Ah, perché mi hanno lasciato dislike qui fino a... Dai! Non funziona!
Because they don't have the equipment, they begin to use gadgets like bananas. They use carrots. They use bananas. They use cucumbers and other metallized ones, and they put them inside themselves. Nebitani kokolaki okubataganya.
I mean, if you're just gonna give me a dislike like that, you're kinda. So, today I came back with a new brand video where I will show you how you can play Flash games even today. I pinky promise you'll be satisfied. So, the first thing you wanna do is to open your browser. Whatever browser you have, I'll be using Chrome. Boom! Ah. Then type on the search bar Blue Maxima Flashpoint. Then click for the first one. That was easy. Okay, what you wanna do now is clicking on download Flashpoint. Oh yeah. Okay, so once we're here, we have Flashpoint 10 Ultimate, Flashpoint Infinity, and Flashpoint 10 Core. Those three versions look similar, but actually they are very, very different. Okay, so the Flashpoint 10 Ultimate, it's very big for its size. It has 600 gigabytes of full space. Actually, is its maximum, and it's offline, so that's the good thing about it. Something else about it that you won't get any updates in case there are any, and yeah, you can try to download that if you have thousands of gigabytes, like 1 terabyte. Coming to the next one, we have Flashpoint 10 Infinity. That is the one that I'm thinking to download. It's pretty straightforward. It's a launcher. You have to launch your game online the first time, then you can play it offline afterwards. So great, let's go! During the period going from 2008 to 2015, before taking my first break from flash games, I can guarantee that I didn't realize I was making memories, as the only thing that I used to do was to have fun. I really feel like I lived in the right generation, the golden times I may say. Not everyone have played flash games, but I promise it will be fun. And for whoever played it already, greetings heroes, we lived great times. And by the way guys, this will be my last tutorial on flash games. If you feel like this video was useful, please consider supporting the channel. With that said, much love, your beloved Leale for Vita, or simply True for Life.
La tua kamehameha verso nera che danneggia, quell'ito di proteggere la mia vera